Hi, the SI meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Monday, October 17th. Well, a couple of weak disturbances will affect the region over the next 36 hours or so. A few clouds around this morning, maybe a sprinkle. We'll move on out of here and then we'll get mostly sunny for this afternoon. But then another weak disturbance comes through tonight into early tomorrow with, again, a few patchy clouds and maybe a shower or a sprinkle. But the big story of the week will be another significant coastal storm. This storm will develop over the next day or so in the southeastern part of the country and then ride right up the east coast by Wednesday, spreading some rain, probably heavy at times, into the mid-Atlantic region anytime from late Tuesday night through the day on Wednesday. Let's take a look at the latest surface map. First of all, here's one weak disturbance or a weak frontal system that has come through. It will kind of stall to our south during the day today. It's rather weak and inconsequential, and once the clouds move out of the area early this morning, we'll have mostly sunny skies for this afternoon. A second disturbance will cut through the Great Lakes and come through later on tonight into tomorrow morning, and again, throw a few clouds and maybe a sprinkle or two in our direction. But the big story is what's developing right now over the Gulf of Mexico. And we'll see on the satellite photo, there's a huge area of clouds and showers and thunderstorms developing in the southeastern Gulf, and this will develop into a storm that will ride right up the east coast over the next few days, reaching our area later on Tuesday night into the day on Wednesday. Well, here's the latest IR satellite loop, and again, let's focus in on the southeastern part of the Gulf of Mexico right here. Kind of a tropical looking system developing right here in the southeastern Gulf. A lot of moisture here, heavy showers and thunderstorms, and this will help to develop a storm right here in the southeastern part of the U.S. that'll ride right up the east coast over the next few days, and again, start spreading heavy rain right into the mid-Atlantic region late Tuesday night into the day on Wednesday. Here's the weak frontal system that has passed through early this morning. It will move off the coast, and then another weak system will drop in for tonight and tomorrow. But the big story is what's going on now over the southeastern Gulf, and we'll have to watch this over the next couple of days to see exactly how strong this turns, how big of a storm this develops into, because it is coming right up the east coast, spreading heavy rain our way late Tuesday night into the day on Wednesday. Well, let's walk through the GFS Global Forecast System computer forecast model maps for this upcoming storm. We'll take a look at tonight, tomorrow night, and Wednesday night. First of all, for later on today, all dry here in the Mid-Atlantic region. That weak front has gone to the south and east of the Mid-Atlantic region. No moisture really to speak of. Mostly sunny skies for this afternoon. And again, there will be some clouds tonight and early tomorrow, maybe a sprinkle as a second weak disturbance comes through. But the big picture here is what's going on right here by tonight in the southeastern part of the Gulf of Mexico. Lots of precipitation dumped out by the GFS model. This is what develops into that coastal storm that will ride right up the east coast. Let's now jump ahead to tomorrow night. And here's the GFS for tomorrow night, Tuesday night. Lots of moisture now indicated here in terms of rainfall by the greens and blues. The GFS is dumping out quite a bit of precipitation. A surface low has formed here in the northern part of Florida. There is a secondary low that's coming through the Great Lakes region. These two will kind of consolidate into a big storm along the east coast by Wednesday. In fact, let's jump ahead now to Wednesday evening. Here's, in fact, the GFS map for Wednesday evening. A major storm here centered over Pennsylvania, spreading rain all the way inland into the eastern part of the Great Lakes. Again, this will have quite a bit of wind around it as well, and rainfall spreading right up the east coast. So we'll have to monitor this over the next 24 to 36 hours to see how much rain we'll get, probably in the order of 1 to 2 inches. Lots of wind behind it, probably on the order of 40 miles per hour on the day Thursday as it turns cooler behind this storm once it passes by and heads into New England. So another midweek soaker on the way, and we'll monitor this over the next couple of days. That's it for now. I'm the SI meteorologist, Paul Dorian.